Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a yummy recipe just for you. But before we get started, we're gonna play Guess the Ingredient. So this ingredient is round, it's a fruit, it's blue in color, and it's full of antioxidants. You guessed it, the blueberry. Yup, my favorite fruit because it's absolutely yummy. So what are we going to do with this? We're going to make a tasty blueberry cake. And I'm going to share the recipe right here, right now. Let's get started. First, put your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In the mixture where we have the eggs, sugar and butter, we're going to add the flour mixture and slowly fold it in. And once it's beautifully mixed, then we're going to add the curdled milk mixture and nicely mix the base of our cake. This is the time we are going to add our delicious ingredient, the blueberry. So now your batter is ready. All we need to do is gently fold our mixture. Please take your baking pan and please line it with a bit of cooking oil. Add this lovely batter mixture into your baking pan. Set it into your preheated oven and let it bake into a rosy golden brown at the top for about 50 to 60 minutes. Before you dive into this delicious cake, please keep it outside on the wire rack. Let it cool down on your kitchen counter. When it is cool, then you can remove the cake, slice it and enjoy it. The best part about this cake actually is that you can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, forget about everything else, just snack. It's a perfect tea or a coffee time snack and you can serve it to all your guests. What I like to do is make a delicious cup of coffee, slice my cake after it is cooled down and guess what? Chill out and rest and have a great time. So thank you all for watching. If you like my recipe, do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell notification and you will get lots and lots of yummy recipes which I've got lined up for you. Take care, have a blueberry time and see you soon.